Hey, what's up? How you doing? And welcome back to the 31 Days of Halloween.
Today we're going to be trying out a recipe that we partly made up and partly saw on Pinterest. We're going to be calling it toxic waste.
So let's get started.
For this recipe, all we need is 3 simple ingredients. You'll need sour gummy worms, Sprite or 7-Up, and then we are going to be using Hawaiian Punch in the green berry rush flavor.
Our drinks aren't cold yet, so we've got a cup full of ice, and we're just gonna mix half Hawaiian Punch and half Sprite right now. Oh God, that smells good. Ooh. Like it. Very specific measurements. All right, here we go. You want to do it?
Let's go. You go. Oh, wait, you gotta get an overview. I love the sound it's making.
Secret ingredient. Okay, you ready?
Oh yeah.
Will it work?
Yeah, you just gotta do a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh Jesus, it's not working.
Are you gonna pour the water in? Oh yeah.
Does it look nice?
It does from the above.
We're gonna try our toxic waste enhanced by dry ice. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
When in doubt.
So good.
Oh,
So good. 3 ingredients. It's so easy.
totally worth it. Definitely give it a shot.
And of course, kid friendly. No alcohol, so.
You don't need alcohol to have a good time on Halloween.
Mm-hmm.
You just need dry ice.
Except you have to be over 18 for that, so.
You need
At least
adult.
here.
Pretty bomb. What's going on?
What do you mean? Just having my morning cup of joe.
It's making it all wet. Here we go.
Okay. Time for the rating.
We're giving our own independent rating.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I have no basis to compare this to. I'm gonna give it 9 jack-o'-lanterns out of 10.
I agree. I like sour things, so I'm gonna have to give it 9 out of 10 too.
I don't know if there's something better though. We'll have to wait and see.
We're gonna have another video coming, so you have to check it out, see if that was even better than this.
What are you doing, Jay? Oh, I think we did it.